on. Wasn't the best launch, but I wasn't expecting to do any launches today. The CarPlay, as you can see, it's loaded. It works for the most part, aside from that little navigation error. It heard me say everything. I don't know why I didn't search, and right before it searched, it dropped out from my phone. Overall, the response of the screen is not too bad. And it does this weird thing where it doesn't shut down the music as it's playing a video. So in order for me to do that, I have to exit, go back to CarPlay, hit pause, then open up my video again.
My daughter's friend was here to drive my daughter, Meadow, to school.
Meadow, your father with those ducks. I know, the whole yard smells like duck food. It's like embarrassing.
Girls, you gotta have more than just cranberry juice for breakfast, alright? You need brain food for school.
So overall, I like it. It's good quality. I don't know if it's gonna hold up. As you can see, I have little goofy errors that are inconvenient. And so if I put the car into reverse, music stops playing by itself and then returns back to normal. So little stuff like that irritates me, because I'd hate to be in the middle of parking and the music shuts off. I think I'd have to turn off PDC. That's probably an option that's enabled. Another problem I notice with the car is when I try and skip tracks. So it just switches FM. I'm not sure how to change that either. I think I have some more reading to do. I'll definitely do an update if I notice any issues. So far it works. I love the Apple CarPlay. My phone can rest here. I used to keep it on my lap, and then as I would drive, the phone would just fall over. On top of that, I'd have to look down and then look back up, which is really not good. I had a phone mount that was mounted right here, but I didn't like that it was blocking out my vision from this corner. I got through many years without this, so I'd say it's more of a convenience thing. It was not necessary. It was not that I absolutely wouldn't be able to drive the car without it. I got pretty far with the Blue Bus. The Blue Bus, great little device. I got my Bluetooth. I bypassed the CD player. It was great. The Blue Bus was a great product that I have no regrets in using. It's just I personally would rather have the map up here on the display and keep my lap clear of my phone. That's all I got, guys. If you have any questions, of course, comment below. I'd be more than happy to tell you where I got stuck. As you can see in the video, where I got stuck running the wires for it. I didn't expect to have to wire it all the way to the trunk until I did a little bit more research and discovered I needed that extra harness. And when I wired up that harness is when I realized, uh-oh, there's no place for me to run it through. All I had was that little hole that had some wiring already passing through it. Thankfully it worked out. I have this now, and I'll see you guys in the next one.